So what I had to do was contact my insurance company and forward a copy of our COI, which is our certificate of insurance, or updated certificate of insurance, so that they can process our check. Now, mind you, that certificate expired on the 5th. I invoiced them on like the 27th of December. So they had time to process it and send me the invoice prior to it expiring. But sometimes what they'll do is, in order to not pay you in the beginning or as soon as that month invoice comes in, they'll wait and say that your insurance is about to expire. So remember when I said I'll go back and tell you what happened previously? Well, this is what happened previously. This happened a year ago, and I had it set up so that my insurance company, whenever they send me my copy of my COI or updated COI, they send them a copy of the updated COI. So apparently they didn't get it, and I had to actually have it sent from the company as opposed to me sending a copy. So they made a big deal out of it.